Message for
para
everyone.
kung
Opening message and closing
Inspirational message,
No, para sa akin, I just wanna thank you. No, ikukut ko rin yung sasabihin ko rin is that, ano na to, faith, dadagdagan ko lang yung sinabi ni Kuya. Faithful obedience, right? Favor flows from our faithful obedience. Right? So, tayo, no, I hope and pray, no, yun yung talaga yung prayer namin ni Kuya na, kahit hindi na namin sabihin, because we can testify about it, we can encourage you as much as we can, pero mas matimbang yung makita nila when we model it, right? Yun yung talagang goal namin na hindi lang namin we don't just preach it, but we model it, because our goal really is for gusto ko yung sino yung nagsabi kaninang footprint, si Nes. Nasabi niya that because we are walking before you guys na nafa-follow nyo yung footprints, right? And for the same for me that we are also following, right, the footprints of the Lord. Kaya sunod-sunod lang tayo, right? That the Lord goes before us and we follow, right, with obedience. Kaya mag-continue lang tayo, no? Continue lang tayo na maging faithfully obedient sa lahat ng pinapagawa ni Lord sa atin, right? Lahat yon, no, alam natin kung anong design natin, alam natin kung ano na yung yung purpose natin. So let's take advantage, no, make every effort, give our excellence, and do the purpose that God has given us. Kasi yun naman talaga yung meaning, di ba? Hindi pa narinig ni Ate Jenalyn to before, but what I always testify about is that yung magmaster tayo, no? Magmasteral tayo in winning people and discipling people. Because that is what matters. In the time that the Lord has given us, palagi ko itong sinasabi sa sarili, diba? In the time that the Lord has given us, we need to make sure na magawa natin yung assignment natin. Kasi pag sinabi na ni Lord, pass your papers, right? May maipapasa ba tayo? Right? So let's all be ready. Let's all be in action. Always and always. And praise God kasi kung hindi talaga kami binago ni Lord, no? Yung mindset, yung heart, yung vision, then we wouldn't be this passionate about it. Right? And I praise God na na may partner talaga, right? Kaya dun sa mga naghahangad no, na magkaroon ng partner, right? That's the one thing that you should pray about, that you will have a partner in the kingdom, right? Chris and Ken, right? Partners in the kingdom. Right? Kasi it makes things, diba? It makes things easier, and that should be one of your non-negotiables, no? Na dapat nasa vision yung magiging spouse niyo. Magiging partner. So yun lang, praise God. And I wanna thank you as well, no? Yung credit or yung mga messages niyo, I know it's for me and all that, but I want to give it back to you. Kasi kung wala naman kaming nililid na mga willing, right? Wala kaming nililid na mga mga faithful na disciples, then it wouldn't work as well, right? So the credit is really not ours even, no? It's the Lord. So, pero gusto ko lang i-appreciate rin yung mga effort nyo. Effort din pag nag-harvest tayo, kapag may mga bago tayo sa church, how welcoming we are, right? And tuloy-tuloy lang natin yun. So, again, from both of us, we appreciate each and every one of you. We love you all.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Birthday nilang lahat.
Happy birthday sa inyo lahat.